How to log into Kingsize Credit Card account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first step is to open up any web browser you want, and now on the search bar search for Kingsize Credit Card Login. Then click on the very first website that you can see. From here click on the sign in option. Now here the first step is to enter your username, then enter your password. Click on the option that says show if you want to check your password. It is going to reveal it over here. Check the option of remember me if you want to remember all your credentials. Then click on the sign in option. In case you have forgotten your username or password, you have the option to retrieve it by clicking on this link. Click on the option of register now if you want to create a new account. And this is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.